Hello Jim Tech Boys. Today we're taking a quick look at the Nike Air Max 2090 EOI, which has just launched in this particular colour, which I was only after out of the range. And the EOI stands for the evolution of icons. So this is the packaging here, which is different than the traditional Nike box, and you can see some of the logos here on the side, and on the back it will just give you the usual Nike information that you normally get on the back of the box. So it's just the swooshes and the signs and what they mean and all that kind of stuff there. You've got a hole in the box there, and how you open these this time around is you slide them out like so, present with the Nike Air logo. So these are kind of a cross between the Nike Air 180s, which I have here, which are well worn, and the previous 2090s and some of the other generations of Nike Air Max that I have here. And let's have a look and see. This colourway is the most nicest colourway I've been looking for, and we finally got them in. So that's that there and that there. Something else in the box. There is a little card inside here which shows you all the classics that they have here. So I have these, and I have these here as well. So it's an evolution of a couple of pairs of Nike, which is nice. So use the timeline colour materials and features from the Air Max BW 180 and the original inspiration Air Max 2090, which took the elements from the Air Max 90. So you can pause that and have a look at it there, and you can see here. So let's have a look at the shoe. Underneath is familiar looking there. You've got the Air Max, and on the sides here you can see this time in here we've got leather, and you've got the big air sole heel unit on the back, which is bigger than the Air 180 unit. But if you remember the original Air 180s, the heel unit was bigger. So you've got this leather material here on the sides, and you have got the nice kind of nubuck material here up on top. Again, which has changed kind of from the previous, as you can see there. And again, from the originals, it's bringing back some of the traditional Air 180s here. This material here is really nice and soft, but it's very hard to keep clean, it's the only thing. And on the side, you've got the midsole and that there. So the tongue has got the Nike Air logo, as you can see, and inside you've got a really cool foot, what do you call these again, heel inserts, and you can see that there. It's really cool and different than your typical plain one that you might get. And that's really about it. Quick try them on there, and they're very comfortable, and I'm looking forward to wearing these out, and probably buy another pair or two just to have them handy, as these will be an icon later on again in the years. So if you look at the shoe here from this side, and then again from this side, and on the back you've got your classic Nike Air patch on the back, which were synonymous with the Nike Air Max. If you remember the infrared Air Max 90s, which again are a fabulous pair of shoes, which I have as well, and about 7 different colours in them Nike Air Max 90s here, which is probably a bit overboard, but I'm a shoe collector. So that's a quick look at the all new Nike Air 2090 EOI, and again it uses Nike Air technology, and that's for the cushioning there, as you can see, and they just simply look fantastic in this colourway, much better than the other colourways that are on offer. That's just my opinion, but I was always a kind of fan of the bright colours, and I've been a huge fan of the Air 180s over the years, and have about 7 pairs of them as well. So that's it for now. Any more questions, feel free to ask. See you in the next one.